High atop Brian Head Peak in Utah's Dixie National Forest, a historic 1935 Civilian Conservation Corps overlook is getting a second chance, and you're invited to be a part of it. After a powerful 100-mile-per-hour windstorm ripped the roof off in 2022, HistoriCorps and the Zion Forever Project teamed up to restore this open-air stone shelter. Volunteers of all skill levels are needed this fall. You'll camp under the stars and help rebuild a legacy. No experience is needed, just a love of the outdoors and a willingness to get your hands dirty. Video was provided by Alicia Lundgren and the Zion Forever Project. To learn more, read the story. This is Stephanie DeGraw, reporting for St. George News, your #1 source for local news.